We no longer need to offer animal sacrifices. Jesus' sacrifice was complete, sufficient, and eternal. But the principle of sacrifice remains. God still calls us to give up things, not lambs or goats, but the things that hold us back from Him. These might be bad habits, selfish desires, or anything that takes the place of God in our hearts. It's like Jorm giving up his prized lamb. It requires letting go of something valuable to show our love and devotion to God. This giving up can take many forms. Sometimes it's fasting, intentionally going without food for a time, not to lose weight, but to focus on God, to recognize our dependence on Him, and to cultivate a deeper hunger for His presence.